5 amazing facts about dogs. Fact 1. Dogs have a super sense of smell. They can sniff up to 100,000 times better than humans. Fact 2. They can read human emotions. Your dog knows when you're happy or sad. Fact 3. Every dog's nose print is unique, just like human fingerprints. Fact 4. Some dogs can detect diseases. They can sniff out cancer, diabetes, and even COVID-19. Fact 5. Dogs have dreams. Ever seen your pup twitch in sleep? They're dreaming just like us. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share.